When you're upgrading to an aftermarket sequential EFI system, such as those offered by Holley, or converting over to a coil per cylinder ignition, you'll need a cam sync signal. MSD's cam sync distributor plug provides a Hall effect cam sync signal needed for the EFI system or coil per cylinder ignition to reference the number 1 cylinder. With a coil per cylinder ignition system, you can have precision control of your ignition system. Having a separate coil for each cylinder allows each coil more time to recharge for a hotter spark, especially at high RPM when firing times are reduced. By eliminating the distributor and spark plug wires, there is less RFI noise, fewer misfires, and less resistance along the path between the coil and plug. Installed in place of a traditional distributor, MSD's cam sync distributor plug cleans up the front and center space previously occupied by the stock distributor. The built-in LED makes for quick and easy indexing. The MSD cam sync distributor plug will also drive the oil pump on wet sump applications. It is available for Ford 260, 289, 302, and 351 Windsor and Cleveland and big block 460 engines. MSD's cam sync distributor plugs are plug and play with Holley EFI systems and can easily interface with most aftermarket EFI systems needing a Hall effect cam sync signal. The 260, 289, 302, and 351 Windsor Ford cam sync distributor plugs are supplied with a steel gear, while the 351 Cleveland 460 version has a bronze gear. Thanks for watching. For more information on MSD products, visit msdperformance.com.